Okay, welcome YouTubers. We're back again. What we're doing today is changing very slightly an old head button off an old Storm engine and converting it to go into my Picco P7 Evo 3. The reason why I'm doing that is because I'm fed up of paying £7.50 for a turbo plug every time I need one. So what I'm doing is I'm using an old head button out of an old nitro engine, so I can use an ordinary conventional plug, cheaper plug, to go in an P7 Evo 3 Picco engine. So what I'm doing now is in a lathe, facing off ever so slightly the diameter and facing back just a few thou. So an old, I think it's a button out of a Storm BO3 engine, will go nicely into the head of my Picco P7 Evo 3, where I can use a conventional glow plug. Taking a very slight amount off the diameter, and then what I'll do is I'll get the Picco P7 Evo 3 liner and make sure it is a very good fit, not too loose, not too tight. I think that is nearly there, isn't it? What do you think? Yeah, let's continue turning to the diameter. There's the liner. Just a nice fit onto there like that. You see it?
Oh, look at that.
And there it comes up.
Perfect.
Like that.
Perfect.
A nice push fit. But it's not just the copper washers that seal the compression, it's the fit of the button into the head also. So now what we'll do, we'll just compare the depth. This is also important, this bit here, because we don't want the piston running into the button on the conversion. So what we'll do, we'll use a digital vernier, measure from there to there, 3.18 millimeters. Compare this side. I've faced a few thou off, don't forget. Okay. And what have we got here now? 2.84 millimeters. So that's 0.2 of a millimeters come off, which is another, if my mental arithmetic is right, about 19 thou. Okay.
Right, completely faced off and machined down to specs. Andy will now give you a demo with the liner in there.
Okay, well here we are, just done that machining operation. Don't forget, a light face off on the front face, came back to the exact depth of the original, faced back out, relieved again for the actual heat sink, faced back out. That is the liner, and the liner just a nice push interference fit on there like that. Okay, now what we're going to do is just relieve the outside diameter. So, and don't forget, now I can run my Picco P7 Evo 3 with conventional glow plug. And we're really, we are bashers, we're not really A-main final racers.
We're not race spec.
You know, so for what we're using it for, it'll be fine. Just coming down to the final few thou on the outside diameter. I'm not too bothered about the actual accurate size, it's only to clear a counterbore in the heatsink. Also the PCD on the holes are slightly different, but only by a few thou. So all we're going to do is open up the existing holes by another 20 thou. So the holes will be bigger, but the PCD should line up then on the heatsink. Right, let's just measure that. A few more thou, and that's it, that should be done. Final cut.
There we sorted.
We're there. I'll say it's only a clearance size anyway. It's only to clear that diameter, that counterbore there. Just that in there, just so it rests in there. Okay. Just check the edge off. Front and back. Okay. So what we'll do now, we'll take it out the chuck. I kept the glow plug in to help hold it in the chuck like that. Luckily it's a 3-jaw chuck and there's 6 sides on the glow plug, so that was good to hold it in like that. And that should fit nicely. There are some swarf on the back there, we'll soon get that off. That should rest nicely in there like that. And the liner, a nice fit.
Perfect,
like
look at that.
Perfect.
Look at that.
And now all that we need to do now is reassemble the engine. And now I can use a conventional glow plug, conventional washer on the Picco P7 Evo 3 engine.
Sorted.
Okay.
That's good stuff.